What's up, Pet Geeks? Did you know fruit can ferment and get animals drunk if they eat it? Now that's what I call a real glory hole.
Hi. Hi, Papa. What you doing?
This cat is late to the trend. Who said chivalry was dead?
Look at Swig. He don't fly from. Swig!
Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
Mama's showing her puppy how it's done.
Paw. Paw. Good girl, Papa. Paw.
Good girl! Pepper, you're such a good girl, help it!
That was great.
Sometimes the animal kingdom gets a little heated.
What is wild shit? He ain't come to play with him, Slim. Line him up and knock him down, Slim. Knock his ass out. Don't play with the bird. Knock his ass out. Still his ass. Still his ass. Bob and weed, Slim. Slim.
This cat is definitely the next Michael Jackson.
Espero que hayan traído sus instrumentos de destrucción.
That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.